right. So the past few days, they have been really great. And recently, our trader ML Master did a really great job here. Okay, just look at this. Just look at this. Gain. It's around 247x on a single trade on alpaca trade. Okay, and I mean this is crazy. This is crazy, and it was all shared in the public chat of our free Discord. And yeah, if congratulations if you were one of them who caught the alpaca trade, and he actually didn't post it because he didn't get a time to post the real setup, but still he was able to give us this idea what would be his TP, and the last few percentage he will hold it if any altcoin moon pump comes in alpaca, and that has happened. He was expecting a 1200 percentage, that is 12x on his trade. And see, he this was the setup in the beginning where he told, and before that he gave a clear instruction to all of us that tomorrow will be the new month coming up, and I will be like to buy some coins on the support. And this was the it is a new month, and by the next month first May we have a new monthly candle on all our coins, which means the dip on a bullish coin will be funny. So on alpaca I would be looking like this because we were always following your because this every time he tried to beg it. Okay, so shout out to Emil Master, his real name is Ivo, and we will have him on our YouTube channel and explaining the entire trade idea. Okay, apart from that, even the wild long, he actually shorted first alpaca and then he traded it both the ways, you know so his wild trade was really great too. It has touched, he posted a chart here, and he actually traded it. His Ethereum trade was also really great. And let me see, this was the wild. Okay, this was the wild trade he gave up. All right, so let's have a look at the market update. And yes, this is our premium. You are just getting a preview of our premium access of our traders battle. And here I posted a complete TA on. If you look at the yes at the start, I gave a clear Bitcoin high time frame market update on 14th of March, and I have related it with the gold. And all our premium members, they were able to read it and they have benefited from it, because what happens when there is no sense making up in the market, everybody is confused. And when somebody gives you that analysis and that tactics and all the strategy, then you become clearer and you become confident in the market. Okay, so this is what happened. I have made these two levels. Okay, so you can read it if you join our premium subscription. Okay, our trade for the party was really great. It give 20-25%. Even the soul layer, okay, soul layer has been pretty strong. It was a $2 when I shared it. Right now it is $3, which is around 40-45%, 40%, I would say. Okay, so this was the area which I was looking, telling everybody that the 72 level to 78k is the last run for the decider, and this was the chart which I posted here, and exactly Bitcoin has followed it. Okay, so this I would see, yeah, when gold dumped it and Bitcoin was making a move, so I told the money from the gold is getting followed in the crypto market. So this was the area decider and the pivot. I already told my members how to calculate this pivot. Okay, so if you want to learn it, join our premium subscription. Let's have a market update right now. Okay, so right now we have this structure here where we have made a high low in the low time frame here, or I would say it is a high time frame. Now we have got it, but still we did not have a higher high above these highs. Okay, so that would be a weekly or monthly time frame analysis. Right now the thing is we are at the 618 and all the golden pocket, we are near to that. Okay, what can happen is we can see a spike here, and then we can see a retrace down here. Okay, so this is my expectation for Bitcoin. Okay, for in the shorter time frame. Okay, there are some war situations related to India and Pakistan, and even there are going to be many FOMC meetings, and also Trump is going to give a speech. So when that happens, volatility comes in the market, and so that's what I'm expecting. Okay, but on if you see the weekly candle was really great, but we are just 12 hours away from the monthly candle. And if monthly candle closes like this, and it should, if it closes above the last monthly high, which is what, 95k, trust me, the next monthly candle will straight hit up to 100k and 102k. Okay, so we can see a great upside movement if we close above 95k this monthly candle. Okay, so this is my analysis for Bitcoin. And if you want to ask me that where we would be going from here, like I told you, my very old market update of Bitcoin analysis on the high time frame, I told that this kind of seems like to me a converging highs. Okay, so this is something like what we can expect. Okay, converging high, and then we break up and start the bear market. Okay, so this area we can still have a high of 140k. Okay, so let's see what happens. This is my assumption on the high time frame of Bitcoin. All right, so let's have a look at some altcoins. And recently I shared Wine in my public chat. Okay, in Wine, and yeah, it has given around 20% from the time I have shared it. Okay, so please do join our Discord channel, and after that, if we see what other coins do look like great here. Okay, Carve was great. It has also given us 5 to 7% move. Okay, and Plume has pumped today. Okay, Alpaca was one of the greatest trade ever I have ever seen by any trader, and it was. I'm very proud that we traders battle we did it. Okay, so after that, if we see, let's see Ori. Okay, all the AI coins they need to be in our site. Okay, let's wait for the month. My decision would be let's wait the monthly close. Okay, because I think only then we will be having a clear picture. And if you are, if you know me there, I mean, if you are joined the traders battle, then you would have got Party, you would have got Vine, you would have got Alpaca. Okay, so right now the only thing which we can do is to wait. Okay, because Bitcoin is looking like but see, we are seeing a new high on the Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin is struggling here. New Bitcoin is struggling here. Okay, it's a side. I think we can even if you see Monday range, it has generated. So that's it. What we can do is if we break this Monday mid, we can go short for Monday low and this low. Okay, and if you break this Monday high, expect the next run to be here about around these highs. Okay, so if you break the Monday high, we are gonna see maybe we can see a new high on the new all-time high on Bitcoin. Okay, so that was my analysis on Bitcoin and altcoins. Yeah, do follow us on Twitter at Traders Battle. Okay, we have our Twitter. You can go and follow us, And yeah, we are doing really great job here. We are just posting regularly everywhere on the Twitter. And after that, you can, if you like our analysis, everything, content, and everything, just go and sign up as a member. Okay, that is just $40 a month, and this is very 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 low priced. Okay, I mean, people are charging $100 a month, basically $150 a month for the model that we have brought up in the crypto market, where 4 or 5 expert traders, they give their own personal trades and they do live streams. All right. So about, if we see equity markets, let's have a look at the equity market. XPX. Okay, SPX. What is the SPX doing? SPX is making a lower high. I think we will not see XPX above this high. After that, we may see a lower low here. Okay, so this will take time. Okay, we will see. We won't be seeing a clear uptrend from here like that. Okay, it is going to take some time, like that or something like that. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. This is what I'm expecting on SPX. Okay. There are some stocks which are doing good. You need to find it out. And yeah. So this was the market order from my side. If we see hype, hype looks bearish here. Okay. I think this can be a great shorting opportunity till $16. And Trump, it has already given a dump here, where we can see Trump around $10.6 here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. And join our YouTube channel, all the social media, because we are putting different type of content information across all these social media platforms. And yes, do not forget to become a member. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.